Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall expand fx which is equal to x in the interval 0 to 2l in Fourier series. So let's see. So here fx is equal to x and the interval is 0 to 2l. So you can see that x is an odd function here. So let's try a0. So a0 would be 1 by L integration of 0 to 2L x dx, which is 1 by L x square by 2 0 to 2L 1 by L, and it would be 4L square. So 4L square by 2. So that would be ultimately equal to twice of L. Clearly an would be 0, and you can write this like this: an is equal to 1 by L 0 to 2L x cos n pi x by L dx. It would be 0. Now let's try to find Bn, which is equal to 1 by L 0 to 2L x sin n pi x by L dx. Now integration by parts. So let's write d and I, alternative plus and minus signs. So x sin n pi x by L, first derivative of x is 1 and second derivative of 1 x is 0. So integration of sin n pi x by L would be minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L, and further integration of minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi L would be minus of sin n pi x by L n square pi square L square. So I can write 1 by L minus x cos n pi x by L divided by n pi L plus of sin n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Now let's get the value: minus 2L cos of n pi by L, and it would be 2L x equal to n pi by L, and cos if we use this lower limit then we will get 0 because there is x term here. So here I shall get sine of n pi by L to 2L by n square pi square by L square. Clearly for this 0 we will get 0. So let's write it would be minus 2L cos of 2n pi divided by n pi by L, and sin n 2 pi would be 0. So I am writing it here 0. So finally we are getting minus 2L L pi n by L cos of 2n pi would be 1. So I am writing 1. Finally we are getting it as 2l by pi n. Hence we can write fx would be equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l. So that would be, earlier we have found a0 equal to 2l, so a0 by 2 would be l, and then here is our bn, so I can write minus 2l by pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n sine of n pi x by l. So this is our function. Now if we plot the function, let's see what happens. We should get one sawtooth like wave function. So for that I shall go to here desmos.com. so here I will write the answer. So let's try. So L minus 2l divided by pi. Now sum n equal to 1 to say some number. Say first we will try to use 1 equal to 1 to n equal to 1 to 2. Let's see what happens. You will see if we increase the number, if we tend n towards infinity, then what will happen you will get to see very soon. So let's write 1 divided by n, and then sine of n pi x divided by let's complete it and write divided by l. So let's put one value for n, l. So it is l equal to 1. Fine. Now you can see here is our graph. So it does not look like the sawtooth wave function. So if we increase the value of n, then say let's put it 10. So let's see how the graphs. Here you can see the graph has come. So lots of noise are there. Here you can see lot of noise. So let's increase the value of n to 100 and see what happens. So you can see the noise, and noise has gone significantly. Noise has been reduced by increasing the number. So if you put 1000, then you will see that far better result, and it almost a sawtooth wave function. So hope you have understood the problem, and you have also visualized the graph. If I reduced n values, you can see noises are building up, and if I increase the value, then you can see that the noise has come down significantly, and if we further increase the value, you will get far better results. So hope you have understood the problem. Here I have expanded x in the interval of 0 to 2l in Fourier series and got this final result, and using one graph plotter in Desmos I have shown you the form of this graph. So thank you for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and also click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. So with regards, signing off, I am Shah.